Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the May Annie's Kit Club Creative Woman of the Month. This is my first May box and the first time I posted in a couple of days. I'm sorry, but I haven't had any boxes to open, but it's almost May, so boxes are going to be rolling in. Time flies. I am such a dork, I say that every time, but it's true. But yeah, back to the box. Hope you guys had a great weekend, by the way, but this is a monthly craft subscription, and like I said, this is the Creative Woman of the Month Club, but they have like 15 or so different craft subscriptions. This is $19.99 a month. I do have a link and code with them. I'll leave down below to save you 50% off your first month, so definitely take advantage. The older I get, the more I'm into like experiences versus just material things. So this is really fun because you actually get to have an experience, make something, and then you get to keep it. So there's like more meaning to your item. So I don't know what this month is exactly yet, so we will see. But I just think overall it's fun and you get to keep something too. So you can do this with like your kids, family, friends. They do have one for kids, but they have like jewelry making one, like quilting, so many. I'll leave the link down below. The code will work on any of their subscription plans. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. So if you guys are new here, and even if you're not, welcome, or welcome back. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them usually every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time. I just missed a day or two because I didn't have any boxes recently, but speaking of that, let me know any box recommendations so that doesn't happen again. I can order some more for us. But yeah, if you like unboxings and subscription boxes, I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around before you go. Let's see what we got. Get everything. Oh my god. Okay, so this is what we're doing. It's the Mandala Diamond Journal. Oh my god, mandala. I journal every day. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Oh, here, Emmy, can you? Emmy, hi. What do you think? Wait, is it mandala or mandala? But isn't that, yes, it's like this flower pattern. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love this. It's like a spiritual meaning or just cute, just whatever it is to you. But and it's a journal, you guys. This might be my favorite one, yeah, and the quickest I ever complete of craft. I have several around here. I don't think one's within reach. Sometimes it takes me a minute to get started on them, and I'm always so happy when I do. But I journal, like I said, every single day, multiple times a day. My current journal is right here. And I go through them. My last journal before this, it took me 1 month to go through. So oops, I dropped stuff. I'm getting a little excited here. This is so cute. So you get almost everything you need. Anything else you'll need from home are like typical things you normally would have. Excuse me. So I love how everything that comes in here, or all the directions in here, are step-by-step visuals. And it's pretty easy to do. Like even someone like me, I am definitely a beginner crafter. Like I'm not the best at it, but they make it easy to do. They have a picture for each step. So in this kit, you get the journal. Oh, cool. And it already has some print. You just like bejazzle it or whatever. So, oh my god, you guys. So cute. I cannot wait. So you get the journal, double-sided adhesive sheet, and this is a tray, and there is a pen tool in here. And then we have little diamonds in it, and what do they call this? They call them diamonds, but like little beads, like of all different sorts. Different colors, different sizes. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty this is. Let's look and see what it looks like in that. So it is lined paper. Oh my god, this is so cute even without like bejazzling it. Is that what we call it? Mandala diamond. So journal. And then so you put an adhesive on there and then you line up the top with the edge. And then they give you some tips and then you can apply them how you want. And this is showing you how they do it. That's so cool. Look how pretty it looks. Oh my god. I like how they give you like how it looks beforehand too, so you can go along with that for people like me that need a little helping hand with stuff like that, like creativity, like in that sense. I love this. I think this is so fun, and not only will I get to use it like once after the whole, you know, crafting, I can use it like all month. Journaling, like, and if you guys need some ideas for journaling, like you can write your gratitude list, your to-do list, and a bunch of other things. I record my to-do list, and I record like the tarot cards I draw every day, and like what my like top 5 things I want, like positive affirmations, what I'm grateful for. I love journaling. And that reminded me, you guys, so I do have another channel, which most of you probably know by now, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do tarot, pick a card readings, and like astrology and spiritual type content, mostly tarot readings. But I just started a 3rd channel with 2 of my friends that I read tarot with. We practice every week, and we just released our first video. We are like doing like celebrity and like pop culture, like media stuff in the media. We're doing group tarot readings, meaning each one of us like draws cards about a current situation. We just posted a video yesterday about the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard situation. Of course, it's like the only thing being talked about right now. So our YouTube channel is called The 3 Seers. So I will link that down below if you guys are interested in like celeb stuff and also tarot. That make me so happy if you want to check it out. But if not, that's okay. Just thought I would mention it and let you guys know. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I always add you on my gratitude list in my journal. But yeah, I will link Annie's Kit Club down below. Definitely check out their other subscriptions too if you're into crafting, but I've been loving this one, and this might be one of my favorites so far. But yeah, I hope you're safe and healthy. I love you so much. See you tomorrow.